LinkedIn doesn't work, blah, 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 blah. It's not that LinkedIn doesn't work, it's that you're not working the platform. What's powerful about this platform is that because we have 280 million records in the platform, you could literally find almost anybody's information on. We're going to learn how to find emails on LinkedIn. That's the whole deal today. What am I doing here? I am building relationships on LinkedIn, as you can see, leaving comments on people's posts, posting, engaging, and messaging. That's what I do every day. I build relationships. What's powerful about this platform is that because we have 280 million records in the platform, you can literally find almost anybody's information that's on LinkedIn. So think about it this way. He engaged with my post on LinkedIn. He gave it a like. And because he gave it a like, I went to his contact info to try to get his cell phone number. His cell phone number wasn't there. So I selected his email, went into evyAI, clicked on network, find prospects on the top, clicked on email, searched his email. And when I searched his email, boom, his profile came up. Now, what you could also do is you could also look at people up based on their domain name. So I'll give you another example. So let's say I'm on LinkedIn and I find somebody that works at a company and I want to do business with that person. Maybe Michael Balsamo. You see, what I can do is I can find out what his website is, like the Sage Advisory Group. And then I can check inside evyAI. I can do a domain lookup to see if I have any details about anybody that works there. And in this case, I don't have the details about it. But of course, I can go to the website itself. I can click on contact info inside the website. I can see if there's any contact info. I do have a bunch of contact info here. Do you see? Michael at the Sage Advisory Group. So I can easily push all this information into the extension next to Michael's name. Isn't it incredible how much information you're able to find on somebody? I like your framing on hospitality. Potential business opportunities. This is really good. So I'm going to take these 15 things. I'm going to go ahead and add it as a note here. And now I have Michael's information stored right here in an organized way. What I really enjoy doing is using this artificial intelligence assistant to help me get all the information that I need to be able to put it right into my CRM to connect and build relationships with people.
Ever wonder how I am connected to executives and entrepreneurs easily? It's all thanks to evyAI, an AI-powered sales assistant that lives right in my browser and on my phone. It helps me effortlessly build real relationships with top-tier prospects by automatically drafting personalized messages and insightful comments in my authentic voice using custom AI personas. It even saves and tracks key profiles so I can always stay top of mind with the right people. Ready to optimize your network? Learn more at evyai.com.
Looking through each relationship could be very tedious for some people. Looking at each message that you sent each person, looking back at the relationship history of each relationship. When you have thousands of people that you're connected to and relationships that you're building, this is how you invite 100 people to an event via DM, one at a time, reviewing the messages that you sent them in the past, seeing what the relationship is. And if I want to call them, I could just go to their profile and grab their phone number and give them a buzz. So me inviting the guy to this event could be the thing that takes our relationship to a whole new level. Just the invitation alone, even if he doesn't respond to me, just the invitation alone has value. Person after person, rock star after rock star, right on LinkedIn. And then people say, oh, LinkedIn doesn't work, blah, 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 blah. It's not that LinkedIn doesn't work, it's that you're not working the platform.
Want to make networking easier and more effective? Try evyAI, your AI-powered sidekick that helps you connect, engage, and grow your network faster than ever. Click the link and start building smarter relationships today.